Hey everybody, this is Evan with HPI Auto. Today I'm going to be going over the emergency transmission failure light that comes on a lot of 997s and stuff like that. So you're driving down the road and all of a sudden the car feels a little weird and the light pops up, says emergency transmission run. So you think, okay, I got a transmission problem. You take it to a shop that's not too familiar with the car. They start thinking, okay, there's something internally going on with the transmission. Could be some sensors or could be a fluid flush, all sorts of little things. But a common issue that we see with that is actually a misfire coming from the coil packs. Now, on 997s, they have revised these coil packs multiple times because they get hot and crack. And whenever they crack, it throws a misfire. And the only way to really tell is being able to pull them out. And when you pull them out, in reality, it should look like this, smooth all the way through here. You'll have a little line here just from manufacturer, but when they crack, it's usually gonna be underneath this part right here. They'll crack all the way through. And that won't mean it's gonna misfire every single time, but as that crack gets worse and worse, that's when it'll start to, throw that misfire and run really, really rough. But at the beginning when this happens, that light could be popping on for the transmission, but in reality, it's just the engine is not firing like it should and not outputting the torque that it should the transmission, therefore that light comes on for the PDK. But if you go with a scan tool and actually scan the PDK unit, it'll say error code engine. And that's usually what triggers that light to come on every time. So this is just a quick little video just to maybe help somebody out there that's going through this problem, because I know it is very common, that if you do get that emergency transmission run light on, don't just assume it's a transmission issue. It could be something simple as coil packs or spark plugs. And we see this all the time here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.